Namaskara friends, welcome back to one more session of Reks Creations Kannada Kalike by Rekha Ainapur. Let's learn to speak different family members in Kannada. First word is family. Family means kutumba. Family, kutumba. Family, kutumba. Grandfather, ajja or tata. Grandfather, ajja or tata. Grandfather, ajja or tata. Grandmother, ajji or avva. Ajji or avva. Ajji or avva. Father, ತಂದೆ or ಅಪ್ಪ. Father, ತಂದೆ or ಅಪ್ಪ. Father, ತಂದೆ or ಅಪ್ಪ. Mother, ತಾಯಿ or ಅಮ್ಮ. Mother, ತಾಯಿ or ಅಮ್ಮ. Mother, ತಾಯಿ or ಅಮ್ಮ. Daughter, ಮಗಳು. Daughter, ಮಗಳು. Daughter, ಮಗಳು. Son, ಮಗ. Son, ಮಗ. Son, ಮಗ. Father-in-law, ಮಾವ. Father-in-law, ಮಾವ. Father-in-law, ಮಾವ. Mother-in-law, ಅತ್ತೆ. Mother-in-law, ಅತ್ತೆ. Mother-in-law, ಅತ್ತೆ. Daughter-in-law, ಸೊಸೆ. Daughter-in-law, ಸೊಸೆ. Daughter-in-law, ಸೊಸೆ. Son-in-law, ಅಳಿಯ. Son-in-law, ಅಳಿಯ. Son-in-law, ಅಳಿಯ. Elder brother, ಅಣ್ಣ. Elder brother, ಅಣ್ಣ. Elder brother, ಅಣ್ಣ. Younger brother, ತಮ್ಮ. Younger brother, ತಮ್ಮ. Younger brother, ತಮ್ಮ. Elder sister, ಅಕ್ಕ. Elder sister, ಅಕ್ಕ. Elder sister, ಅಕ್ಕ. Younger sister, ತಂಗಿ. Younger sister, ತಂಗಿ. Younger sister, ತಂಗಿ. Next one, husband, ಗಂಡ. Husband, ಗಂಡ. Husband, ಗಂಡ. Wife, wife means ಹೆಂಡತಿ. ಹೆಂಡತಿ. Wife, ಹೆಂಡತಿ. Wife, ಹೆಂಡತಿ. Child, ಮಗು. Child, ಮಗು. Child, ಮಗು. Children, ಮಕ್ಕಳು, children, ಮಕ್ಕಳು, children, ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಬಾಯ್, ಹುಡುಗ, ಬಾಯ್, ಹುಡುಗ, ಬಾಯ್, ಹುಡುಗ. ಗರ್ಲ್, ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಗರ್ಲ್, ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಗರ್ಲ್, ಹುಡುಗಿ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಆರ್ ಗೆಳೆಯ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಆರ್ ಗೆಳೆಯ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಆರ್ ಗೆಳೆಯ. ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ, ಭಾವ. ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ, ಭಾವ. ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ, ಭಾವ. ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ, ನಾದನಿ. ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ, ನಾದನಿ. ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ, ನಾದನಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಜನರು. ಪೀಪಲ್, ಜನರು. ಪೀಪಲ್, ಜನರು. This is the end of the today's class. Now let's have some exercise part. Match the following. So here I have given Kannada words and English words. Let's match the correct words. I mean correct meanings. Tande or appa. English word is son. Maga, younger sister. Hendati, family. Tangi, father. Makkalu, wife. Kutumba, children. I'll repeat the Kannada words again. Tande or appa. Second, maga. Third, hendati. Fourth, tangi. Fifth, makkalu. Sixth, kutumba. Now let's check the correct answers. Tande or appa means yes, father. Maga means son. Hendati. To whom do we call hendati in English? Wife. Tangi. Tangi means younger sister. Makkalu. Makkalu. Makkalu means children. Correct. Last is kutumba. Kutumba. This was the first word we learnt in the class today. That is family. Very good. All of you have done great. So these are the playlist of my channel. You can go through the links in the description for this. That is Learn Kannada Daily 1 minute. That is short videos. Daily I will be posting 1 minute videos. Learn basic Kannada in 10 days playlist. Learn to speak some Kannada words through English. Learn to read and understand small Kannada paragraphs. Learn to write Kannada letters or alphabets and speak Kannada through English sentences. Learn to read Kannada words. Learn Kannada grammar, and last is Kannada dictation. Please find all the above links in the description. Subscribe to my Telegram channel Reks Creations Kannada Kalike. Please like my Facebook page Kannada Kalike with Rekha and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Reks Creation. Thank you for watching my videos. Dhanyavadagalu. Please like and share my channel, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.